way through that lower walkway for me. All the way through that lower walkway. Stand by for Splash Mountain. It's now closed.
Hello everybody, it is Tuesday, May 30th, 2023, and I'm here at Disneyland. This is the last operating day for Splash Mountain. It is exactly 10 o'clock, so Splash Mountain has 2 official hours left to operate. Of course, it will reopen as Tiana's Bayou Adventure at some point in the future. No opening date has been announced. Right now, the app is showing a 240-minute wait time with just 4 hours. Coming through security, the cast member gave me this cute little sticker of Mickey Mouse playing basketball, so that kind of made my night. The drive down here was a little hectic even at this hour, so I appreciate that. Let's head on back to Splash Mountain.
Thank you.
It is a little after 10 o'clock and they have officially closed the line. The app is showing 4 hours. That means the line would stretch to 2 o'clock, although the cast members seem to pick up the pace a little bit when they want to get people out of here. So we don't know how accurate that is, but we're just going to walk around, take some photos, and we'll edit in our last ride, which was the reopening day of the park back in 2021. So we'll edit in that footage and some photos of past visits here, and then say goodbye to Splash Mountain.
Oh no, but just watch. Alright. Hi there. Oh, that one's
Let's walk this entire queue here. Show you how many people are actually in line for this. So that was the exit. There is the main entrance. I'm filming and watching where I'm going.
Security. Come up here.
It is actually very calm and very orderly, but I'd assume most of the people have been in line for so long that they're so tired that the excitement has died off. I know there's plenty of vloggers and bloggers that have been here all day long riding it over and over and over again. I know some people have ridden it 9-10 times. Probably why the line is so long, but we're gonna watch the drop over here. I don't know what all those people are standing around there for when you could ride Many Adventures of Winnie the Pooh with 0 weight.
I just wanted to make sure you knew as well because
Construction continues on Tiana's place, the old French market. This will match the ride with the Haunted Mansion in between. Tiana's got some ghosts. That is it here from Disneyland, May 30th, 2023. The park actually closes at 11, not 12. I couldn't figure out why the rides were all closed. That makes sense why they shut that Splash Mountain line down. A lot of people still in line, though. They'll probably be here for at least another hour or two. But that was it. Hope you enjoyed this look at the last day of Splash Mountain at Disneyland. If you did, please give the video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. We have a lot of coverage from here at Disneyland, Knott's Berry Farm, Magic Mountain, Universal Studios, and events beyond like the LA County Fair, OC Fair, Ventura County Fair. Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media at the Funnel Cake Blog. We'll see you soon. Tiana's Bayou Adventure.
We've got your laughing place right up here. So you're looking for a laughing place. We'll show you.
Well, that's just where you're going. Here you go.
The cast members were handing out maps. Last day with Splash Mountain on it. Must be worth something. First bidder, $1,000. It's yours.